Hey there, it's Moriah, and I've got something very special for you. I'm creating a brand new series right here on Superbloom Coach, something I've never done before. Every single day in April, I'm bringing you Superbloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. If you've been thinking about becoming a coach, or you're already one but struggling to see the momentum you've been dreaming of, this series is your step-by-step roadmap. We're covering everything from naming your business and tech to marketing yourself and signing high-ticket clients. This isn't just any series. By the end of it, you'll have the exact strategy to launch and grow your coaching business the right way. And to make it even easier, I've put together a free workbook to guide you through the process, which you can grab at the link in the description. So make sure you're subscribed, because starting April 1st, a brand new episode drops every single day. I can't wait to help you build the coaching business of your dreams.